Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will look at how to put text and an image side by side in Google Docs. The quickest way is by using the text wrapping feature. Place your cursor next to your text. Go to the Insert menu, select Image, and upload your picture. Once it appears, click on the picture. In the small menu that pops up below it, select the Wrap text icon. You can now resize the image and freely drag it next to your paragraph. To make the document look professional, highlight your text and choose the Justify Alignment option. For a more structured layout where the image and text stay perfectly locked in place, using an invisible table works best. Go to the Insert menu, select Table, and choose a 2x1 grid. Paste your text into one cell and insert your image into the other. To hide the grid lines, right-click anywhere inside the table and select Table Properties. Expand the color section and change the table border width to 0 points. Your text and image are now perfectly side by side, with no visible lines. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.